Wyoming Rick Treasure Reveal. I'm going on nickel hunt number 6 of the year 2025, January. This will be my sixth lot of nickels to hunt. This time from a box of nickels that they gave me at the bank. And there's 50 rows times 40 per row, 2,000 nickels, $100 worth. And I'm going to see what I can find. So I'm going to do this row by row, and as I find stuff, I will bring you in. So I'll get back with you when I find something. Okay, I'm here with the first find, a 1953 nickel in row number 1. So I'm fixing to draw row number 2 out of there, and we'll see what we can find there. Okay, this is find number 2 in row number 2. And I've got 48 rows to go, and I found a nice looking 2024 D mint nickel. So that's a very good find. I'd love to find at least one in every row. That would sure be nice. Okay, I just did row number 5, and I just found a 2024 D mint. So that's the second one of the hunt. See if I can't find some more. 45 rows to go. Okay, I just found a 1942 nickel, no mint on the back of a Monticello or anywhere, and a 1955 nickel. So that puts 5 to the hunt. This is a penny mat, by the way. I'm just using this for to lay the coins on to keep them from being on the table. So, but that's what I found so far, 5. And that was in row 7, 43 rows to go. Let's see what else I can dig out of there. Found this in row number 10 in 1948. All right, I'm going to get looking in that back box again. I'm fixing to do row number 11, see what else we can find. Row number 12 produced a 2024 Denver, and so that's 3 of those, and I have 2 1950s, 2 1940s. When am I going to find a 1930s or a Buffalo nickel? I haven't found one yet this year. Okay, find number 8 of the hunt is a 1954 nickel out of row number 13. Okay, row number 14 produced another 2024 Denver mint, so this is number 4 of the hunt. I've got 9 hunts so far between the 40s, 50s, and these little jewels. Row number 15 produced a 1938, the oldest nickel of the Jeffersons. And it does not have a mint mark on the back. I've already looked. A 1946 nickel. All right, let's get back to the hunt and see what else I can dig out of there. Okay, row number 16 of the hunt produced another 2024 D, which will now put me at 5 on those. So it seems like I'm starting to find one about every other row right now. Hopefully that just keeps increasing. All right, hopefully I can find a bunch more. Be right back. Okay, row number 17 gave us a 1941 nickel, and fixing to start row 18. Okay. What have I found here? A 1954 and a 1959. See what else I can dig out of there. Okay, I've now went through 21 rows, and it produced another, the 21st row produced a 1959. So I'll show you what I've got so far. I've got 6 1950s, 5 2024 Ds, 4 1940s, and 1 1930s. That's a 1938 to be exact. So I'm getting quite a few finds. So I've got 29 rows to go. All right, I'm hoping to find a lot more 2024s. Aren't we all? Okay, I'm very happy with this. I found 2 more 2024 Ds. In row 22, I got 28 rows to go. Things are looking up with these, so that'd be number 6 and 7 of the 2024 Ds. Okay, row 24, and I just found number 8 and number 9 of the 2024s. One of them's dull; it doesn't have that bright shine, so it will not go in the row that does have the bright shines. Okay, row number 26 produced another 2024 Denver. This will make number 10 of the hunt, so I'm starting to pick up quite a few of these. So I'm outpacing well, about equal to the 40s and 50s and the 1938 on number, but just almost equal to that amount. So, all right, I got 24 more rows to go. Hopefully I keep finding lots of 2024. That's what I really want to find the most of, unless I find some buffaloes or war nickels and stuff like that. I can't even seem to find war nickels. So, all right, I'll get back to the hunt. Okay, row number 29 produced a 1954. So we're going to add to the stack of 50s. There's 10 on the 2024, 7 here, 17, 4 40s, that's 21, and 22 counting to 38. 22 counting to 38. Sorry, I didn't have my camera on that, but there's 22. And that's 22 and 29 rows. That's not bad. Not a bad average at all. It's a real good average, in fact. So, see if I can find another at least 15 keepers. Row number 31 produced 3 more 2024 D. Jefferson nickels. They all look really good. Of course, you know, many of these coins, or some of these coins at least, will have some dings on them because when they're being produced at the mint, they're going down that conveyor belt line and they fall off into the container they go in. So they bang into each other at that point. So it's hard to ever find a perfect coin. Those are rare because of stuff like that. But I'm pulling these out of these rows. So this would be finds 11, 12, and 13 of these. With these have really good shine. So they haven't lost their luster. And when you get these, just put them in a nickel tube or put them in a very good protective holder and keep that shine and luster intact years down the road, many years down the road. If you're planning on keeping them long term or if you plan on selling them, you want to keep them looking as fine as you possibly can. I have found a couple of dull ones today in my nickel hunts, but I am finding a few today, so I think they're starting to get out there more and more. So anyway, good luck to you guys too when you're hunting for these and the nickel hunts that you do. All right, I've got 19 more rows to go. See what I can find, and hopefully a bunch more of these right here. But I'll take buffalo nickels, and I'll take the war nickels too. Okay, row number 32 gave me another 2024 Denver, which will put those numbers up on those to 14. I'm going to start my second stack because once they get 10 high, I start another stack. So anyway, I'm going to add this one to the stack and see what else I can find. 18 rows to go. Row number 35 does not give us a 2024 D, but it gives us a 2009 D. First one of those I found in this hunt. Let's roll on. Just got done with row number 37 and found 3 nice little finds. A 1940, a second 2009 Denver. Let me zoom that on in. A little better shape than the last one. And another 2024 Denver, which will make 15 of those. And so I've got 13 more rows to go. I'm excited about what's left to be found. I'll see what else there is. Just completed row 38, and I found number 16, 2024 Denver, and number 17, 2024 Denver. Let's go. I'm going to hit a half a row plus, I believe, in this $100 nickel box. So I'm very excited about what this box is producing. All right. I'm excited about the last 12 rows. Let's see what else there is this left. Just finished with row number 39. Let's go, baby. I've got 18, 19, and 2024 Ds now. So that's going to fill a half a row, and I've still got 11 rows to go. I found 3 in that row. I'm beginning to think I might get a full row. If they keep producing like this, I'm going to. Let's see if I can. Row number 41. produced a 1940 Jefferson nickel. I'm going to add that to the 40s pile, so that gives me 6 of those. I got 7 of the 50s. I got 20 of the 2024 Denvers, 2 2009s, and 1 1938. So I am finding a lot of good finds. So close to 40 finds so far. So this is a good box. Still got 9 rows to go. So hopefully I'll start picking out some more 2024s. Wish me luck. Row number 42 produced a 1948 nickel. 8 more rows to go. I went 3 rows in a row without any 2024s. Come on, 2024s, start showing back up. Wish me luck. I have now went 8 rows in a row without finding a 2024 Denver. However, on row 47, with 3 rows to go, I have found a 1939. I turned it over and looked at it already. There's no mint mark, unfortunately. I did find a 1939 here a few days ago with a D-mint. So, I did find one of the rare ones. All right, 3 rows to go. Hopefully I can start grabbing some more 2024s, but it's not looking good as I have found none on the last 8 rows. With 2 rows to go, row number 48 produced a 1941. So 2 rows to go. I'm now on a 9-row streak without finding a 2024. Yikes. Finally broke my losing streak on 2024 Denvers. There's my 21st find. Row 49 with row 50 to go. Okay, the box is now complete, and I'll give you the statistics on what I have found in this hunt number 6 for nickels 2025. What I'm going to do is keep up with everything I find, nickels, dimes, quarters, pennies, whatever, this month. I'm going to keep it all written down, and I'm going to give a January report on my finds when February gets here. So right now I've just been hunting just nickels, and I'm probably going to hunt nickels really hard. It's probably going to be most of what I look for with these 2024s being so hot. So, but anyway, this is what I found. 8 1940s, which is that stack right there. 8 1950s, that stack. 10, 20, 21, 2024 Ds, and then 2 2009 Denvers, and I had 2 1930s, a 1939 and a 1938 that's underneath that 1939. Neither one of them has the mint mark. So 10, 20, 21, 23, 39, 41 finds out of 50 rows. I think that's really good. That's 80% success rate of getting 1 per row. Anytime you can have that kind of a success rate, that's a good success rate. All right. The videos went on long enough. Didn't mean for it to go on this long. I do appreciate you viewing this video. If you would, please hit like and subscribe. And I'm planning on doing a $500 bag of dimes on my next video. So thank you for viewing. Please subscribe, and I'll see you at the next video.